from Bangladesh. Where are you from?
Washington State. And just I'm reporting from. Where are you now?
What do you want to learn?
Are you in America?
No, but I'm preparing for that.
Oh,
Planning for that.
oh that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, we'd love to have you here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. You have to make friends from various countries. Only then automatically other people will connect with you. Understand?
Yes, exactly.
How many languages do you speak?
Oh, I speak three languages. I speak Spanish,
Well,
Portuguese,
well.
English, and although I'm not that good in Francis, and my dialect.
Okay, you are very versatile genius, I see. You are well versed in three languages. Great, great, appreciate it.
Yeah. What about you?
Oh, I know two languages, bro. One is English, another is my native language, that is Bengali. What's your comment about my English?
We're not bad. You are making sense. You're trying. At least we are communicating well.
Do you understand what I say?
Of course, perfectly. I believe the essence of language is the importance is to transfer information, which you are doing.
Yeah, you know that 100% accuracy of any language is never possible, but we are supposed to try as
So
much as
hence
it is
you are
possible.
passing information to me. You are getting it right.
Yeah. Suppose you know Spanish, but 100% accuracy of Spanish ain't possible for you ever, right?
Yeah.
But you are supposed to try to pronounce it as much